I want to talk to you about the brand new brushes from Space NK, a set of 10 designed specifically by the pro team to be used professionally, but also by you guys at home. The bristles are all synthetic, they're vegan, cruelty-free, and the wood has been sustainably sourced. This is the 101 brush, which I love for powder. It's great also for bronzer, as you cover a great surface area. Use a lighter touch and use the tip of the brush for on-the-spot blush application. Remember, you can also use it for warming up the neck and chest. This 102 brush is cut with a flat head. It's great to be used with cream foundations, powder foundations, cream blushes, cream highlighters. Any product works well, whether it's powder or liquids. You can use a swirling motion if you wish. I love to stipple with this brush to really work makeup into the skin. You can also use it as a buffing brush just to soften the edges of any makeup you've applied. This flat-headed brush is fantastic for applying primer, tinted moisturiser and liquid foundation. I even love it to apply my face masks. This 302 brush is an excellent eyeshadow brush. It's particularly good at blending through the crease. I also love it for blending my concealer and for targeted highlighting. This is the 301 brush, a really beautiful eyeshadow brush that doubles up as a fantastic concealer brush. You can use it with powder shadows, cream shadows, or with creamy concealers to really get fantastic coverage.